I'm Deborah Johnson. I'm the General Supervisor for Quality Systems and Customer Service at John Deere Hitachi. We produce mid-size excavators for both John Deere and Hitachi brands. Market is here in North America. We've been using MasterControl for about 7 years now at Deere Hitachi. We began the process when we went for our ISO certification, and we needed a strong document system, and we chose MasterControl. For MasterControl, we currently are using the document system. MasterControl Documents is what we have purchased. We've also have used their services with training. When we purchased the system, we actually went out to Utah and had a class on how to use the system. And then when we did an upgrade to the web-based system, we had another class with MasterControl. Initially, MasterControl came out and trained a lot of our people here in the plant on how to use it. We had different groups. We had user groups. Those people have more rights within MasterControl. And then we have the general population, and we had a segment of those that actually went through training with MasterControl. We have implemented MasterControl throughout our entire company, not only with the quality department, which would be the first place that you would think, but also with our engineering, who produces our work instructions. Our HR department, we have a specific vault set up for them. We keep our job descriptions in there and restrict the rights so only certain people can get into the HR vault. We have a materials area. Materials department can use the MasterControl as they provide documents to our suppliers on what our requirements are. Our sales process with MasterControl went very well. The salesman came out, worked with us, wanted to see exactly what our needs were to make sure that the product that he was providing was going to meet those needs. It was very smooth. When we were going for our ISO certification and needed a strong document control system, we went out and we were benchmarking other companies and looking at their document control systems. And we met a company that had MasterControl and were speaking very highly of it, and we were able to actually see it in action and the way they were using it and determine that that was a good fit for us. And so that's why we chose MasterControl. A specific process example of how we use MasterControl would be our work instructions. The current way that we're doing the work instructions with MasterControl, the work instruction is a very complicated multi-page document with a lot of pictures and instructions, and the engineers can fill those out. They can make the changes to them. Then when it goes out to be approved, it can go to multiple people at one time. So the supervisors can see it, the improvement technicians can see it, and once they've approved it, then it goes on to their managers, and the manager is the final approval. And so then those documents are available for use. MasterControl has helped with our internal costs, mainly by helping with the throughput of the documents. The old way before MasterControl, we would have a document, we would have to take it around manually to different people to get their opinions of the document, whether it should go through, whether there was any changes that needed to be made. And then we would have to if there was a change, we'd have to take that back and talk to the other people that had been involved in that initial approval route to see what their thoughts were after we made the change. Now with MasterControl, we can actually send it out electronically. It goes through all the different users. We have different levels set up, so it might go to a group of supervisors initially, and then it may go to their manager for a final approval. But they can approve it electronically, and if there are any changes that need to be made or if somebody wants to reject it, they can record their comments right there in the system, and then everybody has the visibility to see what the different people thought about the document. Okay, MasterControl and the use of its documents module has helped us improve quality, mainly by making sure that everybody is using the correct document, that we aren't using old revisions. If you were by chance to use an old revision, you could possibly produce a non-conforming product. So MasterControl helps keep our documents current, and we are always using the correct document, so we're therefore producing the correct quality. MasterControl has proved to be a success within our company because it does help us keep our documents the latest and the greatest available for everyone. In going for our ISO certification, again, needing that strong document system, MasterControl was there for us and helped us get to our ISO certification. We've also, through our subsequent registration audits, we have never had a finding. We've been very proud of that. MasterControl and the use of document systems is usually when you're going through an ISO certification. If you have an issue, it's going to be within your document system. And we have not ever had a problem with that. Our experience has been very good with the support that we've received from MasterControl. First of all, with our training. Initially, when we purchased the product, they had the training in Utah for the sysadmins, and then they came out and actually met with different users here on site and did some training that way. Then when we had the upgrade to the web-based system, we went out again and had additional training, which was very good. Then also tech support. Whenever we have an issue or a question that we need to ask, we just make a phone call to MasterControl and pretty much can immediately get somebody on the line that will help us out, work through our issues. Our overall impression of MasterControl is it's a very good product. Again, it has helped us meet our needs through certifications with ISO and also keeping the current documents available to all the users and making sure that we're retaining our quality by using current documents here at Deere Hitachi. We would definitely recommend MasterControl to prospective clients. And in fact, we have in the past. We have companies that come here to benchmark us, and when they look at our document control system and can see how solid it is, we do make recommendations that they should look into purchasing MasterControl as well.